So, hi everyone, my name is Lavesh and this is my 7.2D task of networking in which I will explain about how MQTT will work in the IoT smart home automation system. Here you can see I have made a smart home system in which I have included some IoT devices like fan, light, furnace, temperature monitor, garage door and motion detector. So basically, we will control them with using MQTT protocol, which basically means that it is a protocol used to communicate the devices with each other. Like if one device have to send message to the another device, then the MQTT protocol will be used in which one device subscribe to the other device information, and if that device publish its information about its status, then the message will be reached to that device. So, for example, first of all, we will see that you can see that all the devices are connected to the home gateway using wireless connection. And in this wireless connection, we have used WPA2 PSK authentication and set up the passkey to the good morning. Also, here you can see the light is connected wirelessly using that SSID name of that home gateway, and by putting the WPA2 passkey to connect the wirelessly. And further that uh, home gateway will assign the DHCP IP automatic IP address to the IoT devices. Similarly for the other devices as well, like for the fan, config wireless, and it is connected to the home gateway using the authentication. And now moving on to the MQTT, we have made broker laptop MQTT broker as laptop, which will control the messages from transferring to one device to the another. So moving on to the working, here you can see we have used WPC 300N module to connect the laptop wirelessly to the home gateway, and further we have installed the MQTT broker, which will be which means that laptop will act as MQTT broker and the other devices will act as MQTT client, which will send to their message to the MQTT client. And if any device wants that message, then it will subscribe to that uh, device using MQTT broker, and MQTT broker will uh, send that message to that device which will need. So here we will open our MQTT broker and keep the service on. Now to use MQTT client in our IoT devices, we have to change to the advanced mode using desktop and install the MQTT client from here. Now MQTT client is installed, and to connect it with the broker, we have to put the IP address of the laptop. So in the config, we can see the IP address of the laptop is 192.168.25.110. So we will put the same address in it and connect. So here you can see MQTT client is connected to the MQTT broker, which is laptop. Now we will do one thing, that we will also do the same with the fan as well, and install the MQTT client in it. Uh, so yes, MQTT client is installed, and similarly we will connect the device in it as well with the broker. So it is connected. Now let's take an example. If uh, we have to send the message of light being in the status on to the fan, we will use MQTT protocol. Like if we want to send the message that home slash light is on, payload means on, and quality of services zero matlab means that we have to set at the one time only. And if we publish the message, then fan will be also shown that message here. To do that, we have to subscribe to that light. Like if we subscribe to the home slash light, we have shown that the subscribe to the home slash light, and any message come from the home slash light will be shown in the IoT one device, which is fan. Now we will publish the message from the light home slash light publish status on publish. So you can see the message is published onto home light, and if we open the MQTT client of fan, here you can see the message is clearly being shown that the payload is on of home slash light, which means that our MQTT protocol is working properly, which you have seen that firstly light was connected to the MQTT broker and using the its IP address. Similarly, fan also connected to the laptop using its IP address, and the light will publish the message of that status that it is on, and that message will go to the laptop, which is the broker, and broker will see which device have subscribed to that message. Like here we have subscribed using fan, then fan will receive the message of that publish we have done in the light. So this was the process we have used in our MQTT protocol. Similarly, we can do for the other devices as well, making the laptop broker and the client to the other devices and sending message to the broker publish or subscribe to that message. So this was my video about the 7.2D task. I hope I have demonstrated my task well. Thank you so much for watching.